Hey, that's my doll! I was first! I said let go! Yeah? No!
Hey, my coffee! Huh?
Whoopsies! That was a big one. See ya!
I've got nothing left! Seriously? Oh, those meddling kids! You're under arrest!
Oh, looks like it's just me and the dolls. Gimme. The alarm. Mon Dieu, I gotta get out of here. Coming through.
Yeah! Wow! Huh? That's not mine.
You, freeze! Dolls are free, young lady! You're going to prison!
What? I don't belong here! Help!
Time to pay for your crime!
This place is so disgusting. And it smells like a toilet. Oh.
This stuff looks toxic.
But I think I see something. A doll? Who put you in there? Help me! Oh, it's okay, Dolly. Huh? That water looks like sewage. But I guess that's better than nothing. Hold your nose. Yuck! At least the green gunk is gone. I could use that rug.
Say it out
Got
loud.
it! Thanks. There you go. I am fresh and clean. Oof, nasty. You can have
Be
this back
proud,
now.
everything's allowed. Achoo! Oh, blimey, I got my allergies again, mate. Oh, I should probably go and make some tea for me. Yeah.
Did that really just happen? Hilarious. Oh well, but we still have a problem with your hair. Those ends. Why are they crunchy? Let me think. I must have something around here. I know. Over there.
Wow, very nice! Man, I love this thing!
How do I get it? I have a plan. I can feel it. Nice! I need this one to be really long. You have to get all the way to the desk. There. Now go fetch me that trimmer. I have just one try here. I got my target. Aim, fire! That was close. Again. Yes! Come on, just keep it coming. I can't believe this worked. Let's get rid of those nasty ends. So satisfying. This is so much better. Do you like it? I think you look fantastic. But I can style it super cute. You really can go wrong with some braids. Almost there. Nice! But I want some color too. Hair dye in prison? I think we can make it. Okay, this marker should do the trick. Hope you like red. Just like at the hair salon. Just hold nice and sit still, okay? Wow! What do you think? You kinda look like a rock star. So, to think all I used was a marker. So resourceful. Okay. Ha! Yes! Oh no, he's coming.
Looks pretty good. Done and done. Hey, it's out of ink already? How is that possible? There's probably some more. There! I knew there was some ink in there. What would this place do without me? Fixed. Well done to me.
Did you see him?
Mustache check. Oh. What on earth is on my mouth? Ah! Get off!
Surprise! Happy birthday!
Oh, you remembered my birthday. What a wonderful surprise! I love these donuts. Oh, so good.
Oh, he's not gonna eat all those. Oh no, he's drank. All I need is a straw. Nothing left in here, huh? What? I need a new dress. You're so right. But what about all those balloons? They are pink too. Good thing I've got this little guy. In you go. Got it.
Oh, I'm sure it was nothing. So good.
Perfect. You ready? Looks like it fits like a glove. Can you believe that used to be a balloon? Nice. What's that smell?
That was delicious.
Ew, gross. That stinks. Sorry about that. What's all this?
You destroyed my makeup! Fix it!
I'll fix it.
Hey, your food. Eat up, inmate. Enjoy.
Gross! No way! Hey! What is this? Wow! What is this? Cool. But what can I use it for? Let me think. Huh?
Oh, that really hurt. Okay.
What a weird guy. What do I do with all this? A mouse? Hey! Let's put this to good use.
Oh boy, is that cheese?
A mouse! Get out of here!
Got it! That was easier than I thought. Perfect for collecting sequins. Here you go! Now you're sparkling. It's like a mermaid or something. I hope you like it. Oh, so beautiful. What?
Oh, please don't hurt me! Please!
Oh, chill, bro.
Oh, afraid of a little mouse, huh?
Oh, thanks, girl.
Good boy. You're happy? We need to wax. What's under here? Jackpot! How old are those things? This one's wet. Let's get rid of that hair. It won't hurt. I know what I'm doing.
Ouch! Ouch! Be gentle!
Wow, those are some smooth legs. This definitely isn't chewable, which gives me an idea. Let's wrap this sucker up. He loves his sweets. Enjoy.
Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, I guess it's snack time.
Oh my god.
This tastes a bit different. Maybe it's a new flavor. Nice, though.
He likes it? No way. Anyway, what's wrong?
It hurts! It hurts so bad!
Oh, what do you mean? It's okay. Huh? Hang tight. I got it, girl. This thing is thick. You need shoes. What's he doing over there now?
I'm such a good crafter. Shame I don't do it for a living.
I could use those supplies myself. With the help of this.
Huh? Who's there? I'm coming to get you.
Perfect. Now it's my turn. Oh, so annoying. I need your help. There. Grab them. Good job. Time for materials. Okay, what do we have here? Huh? Yo. What about this? And this? First, I need to cut the straw. Perfect. These are the soles. And glue. Gotcha. Nice and sticky, baby. It will hold this part perfectly. Check out these cute things. They fit.
Oh, wow! It's so comfy! And they're super stylish!
Definitely. Oh, he's back.
Oh, what happened here? My sweet Valentine's card is ruined. My sweet Fiona.
Excuse me?
Huh?
I came for my daughter.
No, she did this.
How about this? Perhaps this will change your mind.
What is this? Let me check. Great Scott! I'm finally a rich man! You're free!
It was about time. See you again never. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, honey. I brought you a toy.
It's Ken! My favorite! Let's play! Now kiss.